Hey everyone, welcome to another video. In today's video, I will show you how to fix visual intelligence not working on your iPhone. So let's get started. Visual intelligence only works on the iPhone 16 lineup, which includes iPhone 16, iPhone 16 Plus, iPhone 16 Pro, iPhone 16 Pro Max. This feature relies on the new camera control button located on the right hand side of the phone. To use visual intelligence, press and hold the camera icon button, not just tap. After a moment, visual intelligence will activate. Now you can point your camera at something and ask questions about it. If visual intelligence isn't working, make sure your iPhone is running iOS 18.3 or newer. To check, go to the settings of your phone, tap the general option from there and tap the software update option. If any update is available, just install it. If you still don't see the feature, check if Apple Intelligence is turned on. For this, go to the settings of your phone, scroll down to find Apple Intelligence, or you can search it for like this. Make sure it's switched on. To analyze image, visual intelligence needs the ChatGPT extension enabled. For this, go to the settings of your phone, find ChatGPT extension from there and tap it and turn it on. If you single tap, the camera will just open normally. To activate visual intelligence, long press and hold the camera button like this, tap on it, and you can now search with Google or ask question about what's on your screen. That's how you fix visual intelligence on your iPhone. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. See you next time.